So my husband keeps telling me I'm going to be learning the same lessons over and over again until I fix the problem. And yeah, this is right now my issue with not being quick enough on the matrix. Um, excuse my voice. VNDA is an A play that I had this morning, and I actually did not get an alert on it. I need to see what's going on with my alerts because they're not going off. So, but I caught it on my watch list. This is my watch list here, and I was trying to get in around the 50s, and you can see my orders here. I tried to get in at 51, pulled it up to 56, then pulled it up again to 59, and I didn't get filled. So I got so close to getting filled at 10:59. I saw it. It was right there, and it didn't fill me. I maybe just should have pulled it up one more uh, cent, and I would have gotten filled. But um, I just I need to get better at this because I'm missing a lot of opportunity because of the fact that I'm not quick enough on the matrix when I need to be. Normally, this hasn't really been an issue for me until now. Now that I'm getting these A plays and I'm finding them and I have the entries, and it's like I keep trying. It's the same thing happened with KKD, and then yesterday I had one. I think it was ANW. Same thing keeps happening. I keep trying to get fills, but I need to just sometimes, like when you have something like this. I mean, the market's going down right now, and a lot of stocks are in the red, but this one, um, I had a nice intraday break, and it just went to the moon. I probably it did more than I ever imagined, but I knew it had legs because I've been watching this stock for a while, VNDA, and you could see it's been pretty strong. And um, unfortunately, my slowness to just get on the ask. I tried once I got up to this 1060 level. I said, "Screw this. Let me just get on the ask." But every time I would try to get on the ask, it would go up and up and up. And this one, you can see it moved really fast. So I would have just on this one, I would have had to be one step ahead of the game and probably pulled above the ask because it just kept moving and moving. So um, I probably maybe would have. At one point I remember I could have got filled at 55, but I hesitated um, a little bit to pull my order up because the market is going down, and I was like, well, I thought too much. I thought about it too much, and instead of thinking, I should have been pulling the trigger right away and getting in because this thing fits all my criteria. It's a play. It's got this beautiful intraday breakout, and instead of thinking too much about alert, instead of thinking too much about everything else going on, I should have just been. Sorry, I got an alert. I should have just been focusing on the fact that it met all of my criteria, and it was just a beautiful play that ended up working. Of course, it ended up working in this case. So I definitely need to keep working on being quicker on my matrix, and when I see a play that's really sweet, I just need to get in. And I'm thinking too much about the sense. I'm thinking I'm a very precise trader. I want specific entries, and I have a specific risk and reward pre-planned before I get into a trade. And I think that might be hurting me a little bit in these scenarios where I just have these beautiful plays that I'm just so fixated on. Well, I want to get filled at my price, and sometimes you just have to get in. And this is the same lesson with KKD and with yesterday ANW, same exact thing. I could have been in, but I wasn't I wasn't quick enough on the trigger, and I was focused too much on the fill where I wanted it to be instead of what the market's telling me and the market was telling me. listen, this thing's going with or without you. You should get in. So basically, that's that.